everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. I am Prerna and today's video is all about me trying Pinterest hairstyles. So I always found this hairstyle super cool when I see them on Pinterest, and I always find it very, amazing. Also, these hairstyles look super good on Pinterest. Also, my Pinterest board is full of these hairstyles because I always used to save these hairstyles which I always think that I'm gonna try someday, but I never try because I didn't get time to try them and I don't want them to look bad when I try them in person. So I thought that today I'm gonna try those hairstyle and see how it looks in a person so that I could try them anywhere I go. If I go somewhere, I'm gonna try them. Okay, so yeah, I thought that. And also these hairstyle, I just chose the simplest hairstyle I could find on Pinterest because I don't want to mess up in a video. And also my hair is like of a great, I won't say a great length. I don't want to say that. Like I just got my haircut done, and actually my hair is a little short now, but earlier it was so long, so I don't try hairstyle like those what we call them, like those braids which they make in front. I find that super that hairstyle super cool. I am fumbling. Anyways, we all do. In today's video I have decided to make it a little simple so that I don't get demotivated and I don't stop in the middle of the video because I'm not able to make those hairstyles. So I have decided that I'm gonna make simplest hairstyle. Like, they were super cool, of course, on camera, and we're gonna find out if they're super cool on real life or not. Okay, the first hairstyle I'm gonna try is somewhere on the screen. Mine is very simple, and it's just you have to braid the first part of your hair, and you can actually do a lot of hairstyle with that. So I'm just gonna try that. It's simple. So starting with the first thing you have to do is to comb your hair with a good comb, of course. I'm kidding. Okay, so comb your hair and part your hair. Like, you have to part your hair like from the front. Also, I do not have any bangs on my hair, so I'm just gonna brush my hair. Also, I'm gonna part my hair, so cool. And also, I just want to show you my new light. Of course, I bought them. I'm super excited because I bought them. I already have them. Yeah, I'm excited just to show you my lights. Now back to my video. You have to just part your hair. You just have to. I'm so fumbling, like, seriously. Also, I have my new vision board, which I definitely can't show you because I put some stuff on my vision board which basically you don't need to know. Of course, I gone back. But anyways, we're starting from the video. We just have to part our hair. This much hair is enough, I guess. And you just have to take hair from both of the sides. I have to put a clip on my hair, but it's okay. I won't need it. Also, I have taken this much hair. Cool. And I have to braid it. I have to make plaits from them. So let me take a good amount of hair so it can be plaited, because of course I don't know how to do my plaits, but yeah, cool. I have a lot of hairlines, which is not cool. It's gonna take ages to time lapse, all these things, but still I'm gonna try. Like making braid is one of the most difficult thing. I don't know why. Even when I was in school, I has to make two plates and to go to school, of course. Uh, but anyways, we all love schools, right? Like if you skip the hair part, like I used to love my school so much. Like I always used to love going to school so much. Like I couldn't even imagine one day I woke up and not going to school, because of these COVID and all. And then it is so crazy to go to school. Like you meet your friends, you do like a lot of activities in schools, of course. I don't know why I'm getting to all these things. These are gonna time lapse and I'm still gonna talk. Anyways, I am a talkative person. I love talking. To be very honest, I love talking. But if someone tells me to talk, I won't. I don't know why, but if someone tells me you should talk about this, and I was like, no, I'm not going to talk about this. Because I'm just believe the fact. But I have my new lights. I don't know why the color isn't showing. The lights I have are super cool. Like I already done this much and still my hands are paining. I don't know why, but my hands always pain. Like it pains always. I wonder why. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave. I've taken rubber band, like the black one, the simple one, the plastic one rubber band you have to take, and you just have to tie these round and round and round and round. And Lola, I told you my hair is too long. It's gonna take ages if I'm gonna do the rest of the parts, but it's okay, who cares? Why not? So obviously, so there's a time in my mom used to make my hair, and I don't need to worry. I made one on that. Okay, so I have to do the rest. To do then this part, now to do this part till the very end, because of course my hands are clean. I'm talking. I'm doing hard pressure. Also, I have a new pimple. Like please tell me I'm not model. Like I do load of skincare and still I have pimples. Like please, I want these acne and pimples to disappear from the world, but it's okay. So that's not gonna happen any day. So it's okay to have pimples. Like every day, like it's my skin always needs to go. Like every day my skin is so clear whenever I don't have to go outside, whenever I don't have to take pictures, and even when I'm just not doing my skincare, my face seems very clear. To be very honest, my face is clear, and the next day I wake up and I decide that now my face is good and I need to click some good pictures. It's gonna act like we messed up and my face has to have a pimple. So yeah, we are done talking here and we are just putting a rubber band, like tying these rubber band things. Okay, so the first hairstyle is this, like a simple front braid. It looks super cool, I guess, because I watched everything there. I'm fumbling. Like this video is like full of my fumbles. Anyways, we're gonna just skip. Okay, so this hairstyle is cute, kind of cute. You can just go with this hairstyle. I think it's gonna work. Like anywhere if you're going to meet your friends, or even if you're going out, I think this hairstyle gonna work. The first hairstyle is this hairstyle. The very first hairstyle is just to braid your hair from the front. If you want, you can even braid the other parts, which I'm not gonna do because I have to do some other hairstyle with this. So as you have seen the first hairstyle, I'm just gonna show off my hairstyle because I actually wasted. What's that? Anyway, so this hairstyle is super cool and you should try this hairstyle, I would say. Now talking about the second hairstyle, you just don't have to open this hair. If you want to try these hairstyles, you just have to get these beads, like these little beads, if you can see, little beads. You just have to get them from the market, and what you have to do is just to put them on your braided hair. Let me show. Just struggling to open them. Okay, it's done. Okay, so what you have to do is to put the beads like this. See? It's simple. You just have to put these beads accordingly, like of different colors, because they get in different colors. They also get in same colors, but it's all your choice. I'm gonna put 4 with orange. Even if okay, so do the same of your other parts. Okay, it's done. It's super colorful. I would say I'm gonna go to a kid's birthday party with this hairstyle. Like, I'm gonna make them jealous because these are super cool and these look super cute. So I'm gonna go to a kid's birthday party doing this hairstyle for sure. So next time anybody is inviting me, I'm gonna do this hairstyle in a birthday party. Anyways, you can do it anywhere you want. So the second hairstyle is this. Like, it's so simple. I find it super simple. Like, you just have to put these on. Yeah, you can do this hairstyle. I would give this 10 out of 10 because it's simple. That's why I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. So the third hairstyle which I'm gonna do is, you won't believe, but I have just decided to do the same hairstyle like for 3 different ways. You could say that. So for the third hairstyle, you have to take a bandana, this red cloth, like any cloth you want to take for your hair, and you just have to fold it like this. Okay, it's super, like, it's visible, right? You have to fold it in a triangle, I would say. Like, it's a square and you have to fold it into a triangle. And now you have to put it on your hair. Now you have to put it on your hair and you just have to like this. I don't know whether I put this right. Let me put this like correctly. Okay, I'm done with this hairstyle. So I have to tie it like this. You have to take some hair, and to be very honest, this hairstyle is looking like a pirate. I'm just gonna be a pirate with this hairstyle. So I think mostly pirate make this hairstyle, but this also looks very simple. And sorry, this looks super cool and this is so simple. So I'm gonna must say, please try these. Like, time I'm going somewhere, I'm gonna do this hairstyle, to be very honest, this braided one. And of course I'm gonna put this. Also, this is matching with my dress, something which I haven't thought of, but this matching my dress, of course I haven't planned it. I'm sure I haven't planned this, but anyways, this looking super cool and I really like these. All these hairstyles, these are super cool and these are super fun to do. I just would say the braiding part because my hair is long and it took ages if I'm gonna braid it till down. So I didn't braid it till down. I just did the half of my hair. I just braided half of my hair, but this is super cool, I would say, and I actually like it. So I would say you to try this. it's fun, it's actually interesting, and it's actually the hairstyle like the Pinterest one. These look super cool on that. So it actually looks super cool in real life. Also, my hair is just coming out from nowhere, so I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna definitely take some pictures. I'm gonna just upload this. So this looks super cool. Like, to be very honest, this looks super cool. I haven't imagined like this looks that good. So I think I have to do with the back part of this bandana, but it's cool. And it's not, it's some printed one also. These look super cool. Like, I have watched people wearing this, so I would say this looks super cool. Also, this looks super cool in real life, so the Pinterest hairstyle works. It's looks super cool in real life. I'm just posing for my, it looks super cool, so you must have to try. Also, now I'm just gonna say bye to everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it, and it's super fun doing this. Also, if you can suggest anything which I should try, like Pinterest food, Pinterest another hairstyle. Also, I'm gonna try some more hairstyle in the future because I think my hair is good. I'm just kidding. Don't take it so seriously. My hair is gonna fall in very next time, but the very next second, because I said so. Anyways, but it's super cool to do that, and I actually enjoy. And yeah, there was so much fun. Thanks for watching again, and I hope you do like, subscribe, and share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Like, if you click the like button if you really like this video. Also, if you want to suggest anything or you want to comment down anything nice, please do that. Also, thank you all. It's already 100 subscribers, and yeah, thank you. Bye bye, take care. I hope to meet you soon, super soon. I'm gonna definitely gonna be more active. Like, the past month I just stopped doing any video. I'm too lazy to actually edit it, but now I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna finally do all the things together. Also, I'm coming up with like super, I'm gonna definitely come back with that video. Thank you for watching.